Zero.
Tree!
What?
We gotta get Teardrop to talk.
But why?
Because I see her just standing there silent for hours. I want to know what's going on inside her head.
I don't think it's worth it.
So here's our plan.
Did I not just say it wasn't worth it?
I will hold Teardrop's jaw open and you'll wiggle her vocal cords so that they make noise.
That's it. I'm leaving.
Aw, Tree doesn't seem too cool. Whoa, Ice Cube, you're there. Are you cool? Ice Cube, it's not that hard of a question. Are you cool?
Yeah, Lai. Ice Cube's the coolest person that I've ever met. She's so epically cool, just like you are too. We're all cool. Isn't it so awesome to be so cool?
Ice Cube, since you're so cool, do you want to help me get Teardrop to talk? Yeah. Keep wiggling, Ice Cube. I can almost hear a voice.
Yeah, go Ice Cube!
Light and Icy, cease the torment.
No!
Ice Cube, it's time to stop abusing Teardrop.
Ice Cube will only stop when she wants to stop.
I want to stop. I'm sorry. Ice Cube, I am appalled.
While I, Lai, am pressed. And I'm impressed.
What do I do? I can't believe you would do something like this. It's unbelievable. You need to stop right now. This is the worst thing I've ever seen come out of you, Light. I can't believe it.
Huh, maybe we should put a rest to this Teardrop thing, Icy. Well, I think we both wronged Teardrop today. Truce? Truce? Clock, it's not that hard. Just shake my hand.
Don't you ticking dare touch my clock hands.
Hey guys, can I be part of the truce?
Yay!
Hi, you seriously haven't killed anyone else, like, ever?
No, have you?
Yeah, I have, but it felt extremely disturbing. I want to know how you resisted the temptation. Can we be on the same team so I can learn from you?
Oh, please, show me as well.
Sounds like as good an idea as any.
Well, this team mostly formed to avoid causing death.
Uh-huh.
That's right. We're all about preventing death and creating trust.
One's empty.
This one.
Foldy, why don't you go back to your team with Stevie where you belong?
Has now prevented
0.00
deaths.
We're not doing a good job at saving lives. We might need to up our game.
May I interest you folks in my fork repellent?
Does it save lives?
Yes.
I'll buy 1 quadrillion.
I need this eraser off of me!
Whoa, Belly, what's the ruckus?
Eraser's climbing my string and I don't like it!
You have a string? Huh, I never noticed. What's at the top?
Why, that's not important!
I found my next adventure.
Oh no, what's this?
I think Lollipop's fork repellent wasn't a repellent after all.
Black.
People!
String. Oh no, I'm in the bottom too? I said one pun 2 months ago, so voters should see me in a positive light.
Some days I survive, other days I don't. It's no big deal either way.
And the results are...
Bye, Lai.
Hey, I wanted to say that.
Well, if you don't like it, just screech me.
I'll do much worse. So, I'm safe?
Yeah!
Put down this fortune and listen to Lai. She's speaking now.
Well, I've heard your message, and I've heard it loud and clear. You guys obviously don't want me here. Remote, how many lives has this team saved?
2,763.
And how many am I responsible for?
2,753.
Exactly. When I joined this team, I thought I could put my traumatic killing past behind me. So many of my hours and so much of my willpower was spent on saving instead of murdering. I thought you guys would support me, but I guess you won't. And if you won't, then what's the point in restraining myself?
Lai, no.
Nah, she's done that before. What the flip?
4, I don't like that. Could you suck her up?